How to be. How to make a relationship work. Accept conflict is normal. Perfection only exists in Hollywood. Disagreements happen. Unless you're embroiled in severe problems, unfaithfulness, abuse, addictions, legal problems, or violence, don't throw away a relationship because you've hit a rough patch. Trust and commitment deepen as you travel through storms together. Know that it's worth it. Sometimes the healthiest thing you do for your relationship is to think about whether it's worth it. No matter how long you've gone out, or how much you don't want to split up, really sit down and assess whether you are willing and ready to put all the effort in to make the relationship work. Communication. Being able to share the emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual aspects of your life without feeling judged or devalued is what good communication is all about. Neither you nor your partner is a mind reader, so you need to let each other know what you're thinking and feeling. Remember that communication is the most important part of your relationship. Look closely at why a fight may begin. Some couples create separateness by fighting and then making up over and over again. This allows you to continue the romantic trance, creating drama and avoiding real intimacy. If you become aware of what you fear about intimacy, you'll have a better sense of why you're fighting, and likely will fight far less. Keep the novelty alive. One of the positive aspects of being in a relationship with someone for a long time is that you really get to know each other. The negative side of this is that the novelty wears off, and humans love novelty. However, there's a way to keep the novelty alive. Constantly try new activities together. This creates the excitement and the uncertainty that comes from the unknown, even if you're with someone whom you know as well as the back of your hand. Grow together. It is very important to grow as a couple. That is how you find out if that person is the one for you. You grow as a couple by spending time just talking and bonding with each other. If you can't grow or learn to grow in your relationship, it will not last. Take or give space. Partners may choose to separate, either physically or emotionally, while they work on their own individual issues. Healing childhood wounds are difficult enough without having to be accountable to a partner. If your partner asks for space, give him the world. Stop all stalking, peering at Facebook, driving by his work, or asking friends for information. Stop obsessing about anyone else's life except your own. Know that no one is perfect, not even you. You're both going to make mistakes, so try to be sympathetic to one another when you do. Playfulness. Have fun together. Whether it's the tried and true, or something new, being playful keeps your love growing. Every time you do something to make your partner smile, it creates chemicals like oxytocin, sometimes called the cuddle hormone, in both of your brains, which makes you feel closer. Focus on giving love. Genuine happiness is not about feeling good about ourselves because other people love us. It's more about how well we have loved ourselves and others. The unintentional outcome of loving others more deeply is that we are loved more deeply. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.